guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Adam, and exciting day here. It's starting to get a little chilly around here, so I'm going to install this DuraHeat workspace heater, and it's rated for 10,000 watts, 34,000 BTU, and it says it heats up to about 1,500 square feet, which is perfect because that's about what we have here in the workshop area. So, not an electrician, by all means. If you're not, comfortable with electrical work, don't take this on yourself. But pretty straightforward what we're going to do today. So yeah, watch along and let's see where we go.
It sounds a little sketchy.
Okay, so starting off, this requires 240 installation. So we've got some 6-gauge wire that we're going to run. This is going to be hardwired to the heater. And so we've got some rigid conduit that we're going to go from the breaker box to this 4x4 box. Then we're going to run some flexible conduit from this box to the heater itself. And we've got all of our 3/4 inch connections. Just make sure that your conduit is rated for the wire that you're running through it. And obviously the wire is rated for the unit itself. So pretty straightforward installation here, but let's get started. Okay, so you can see way off here, we've got our breaker box and our rigid conduit's gonna come up to the ceiling. Over here, we're gonna have a box around here, and then the heater will be right around there. That will allow the heat to blow towards the main area of the shop. And yeah, pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead, and I've already screwed a 2x4 up on the ceiling. That is going to be our mounting spot for the heater itself. So let's get that up there, and then we will go ahead and run the conduit. So here we go. All right, so we've got the heater mounted and conduit run to the box. So we're gonna run some 6-gauge wire through, and then from this box to the back of the heater, we'll run some flexible conduit. And yeah, now just gotta pull some wire. Here we go. All right, walking up on the box here, we've got our 6-gauge wires pulled, and we're gonna put a 50 amp breaker right down here. Apologize about this box. It is a mess, I'm aware. This is not my wiring. This is the former tenant or owner who, yeah, was actually an electrician. So a little scary, but eventually I'll get this cleaned up and looking a little safer. So here we go. Okay, we got everything wired up. We are hooked up to the breaker. Theoretically, only thing to do is flip the breaker and we should have power to the unit. So let's see what happens. Well, nothing tripped and I heard a beep. So we got power. Let's see what we can do. It does come with a remote that I need to get some batteries for. Got a built-in digital thermostat. We're looking at 42 degrees in right now. So it'll kick on, and it's supposed to pull the room up to 65, and unless I set it differently. So that sounds perfect. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's putting out some good heat. So that is on high mode. You can switch it down to low. But this is going to just be used when I'm here in the workshop working, just to take the bite off the chill. I don't need it 75 degrees in here by any means. So yeah, not too shabby, pretty decent little installation. And yeah, looking forward to having some heat. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the channel. We're going to do some more stuff here this week. Try to do something every week, and start to use this shop a little more. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.